Why purchase Multisteril? Sterilization activities play an important role in the organization of a medical clinic. Therefore, process optimization in their respect must be given utmost attention. Which aspects need to be managed? Assistant occupation time. Assistants spend a lot of time on the phase for preparing instruments for sterilization, as there are many complex procedures to follow. All the phases for disinfecting, cleaning, rinsing and drying take place automatically, without any human intervention. The overall time required is similar to the 30 to 40 minutes of the manual procedure, but the presence of an operator is not required. Therefore, their time can be better employed elsewhere. Risk factors. Handling potentially infected instruments and materials is a highly relevant risk factor and needs careful monitoring, both to protect the operators involved and to safeguard the owner of the clinic from liability. As no handling or transfer of potentially infected instruments or materials is involved, risks related to work accidents are removed, consequently removing also the liability of the employer. Protocol management. Correct sterilization is obtained if the procedure for preparing the materials is carried out precisely. Otherwise, the entire procedure is rendered void. Multisteril is able to guarantee that the whole protocol is performed with absolute precision, in conformance with the reference protocols, guaranteeing a perfect preparation procedure before sterilization. Space. Space is another important issue. In fact, very often, sterilization rooms are of very limited dimensions. Therefore, the possibility of maximizing the use of the space available is of significant value. Normally, in order to install appliances and work correctly, an area of at least 2 meters linearly and basin is required. When using Multisteril, all the preparation phases are carried out in a space a little over 40 centimeters. All this without the need for rinsing or transfer, contaminating the work surfaces or polluting the environment. Total costs. Cost is an important component that must be kept under control. Analysis of costs must be detailed and thorough. Multisteril is able to provide answers to every need. Using Multisteril, what costs are incurred? Approximately €2 per cycle for the cleaning liquid, plus the electrical costs. What savings are made? Significant savings on labor costs, as your assistant will save 30 to 40 minutes every cycle. Your assistant will need to use fewer PPE items, such as gloves, glasses and overalls. You will save on disinfecting liquids, because they will no longer be required for the instrument disinfecting phase. You will save on the consumption of disinfecting liquids and the time required for disinfecting work surfaces at the end of every preparation cycle. Multisteril is a truly innovative invention that is changing the procedure required for sterilization. A remarkable appliance that makes your work much easier and safer, while guaranteeing you a significant saving in costs. Only a company leader in the sterilization world could have conceived such an advanced appliance, able to meet the demands of the market.